again. She's looking like, what's going on? Hey, so today's video is just going to be like a come with us, decorate our tree video today, because that is what we are doing. Yesterday we went and we got the Christmas tree from Walmart, and it's a pretty nice tree. For I think it was 89 something, but like with tax it was like 90 something, but it was still a good price for the tree, and it's like a really full tree, but I'll show you guys that later. But so yeah, so that's what this is going to be today. You guys know I've already told you that I'm not that good at like doing this because I forget to film certain things, but fingers crossed that this will turn out perfect. And then also just to let you know, the lighting in our apartment sucks, especially at night. It's terrible. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, because the lighting is just literally terrible at night. So we're about to go to this Santa sleigh like party. It's for my husband's job, and they like give away gifts for all the associates' children, which is super sweet. So we're about to go do that right now, and then after that we're gonna go pick up some lights for the tree, and then we are gonna go home and decorate the tree. I also have like some other like decorations and stuff that I kind of put up in the apartment. So I'll be showing you guys that too. Again, fingers crossed that we get some good lighting, because I promise you the lighting is terrible, especially at night in that apartment. So yeah.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney.
What are you doing? Ryleigh. Ryleigh. What are you doing? What's this? You driving the car? Huh? You go, girl. We gotta insert some coins. Wait a minute. It's on my arm. Go! Ryleigh, you gotta drive. You gotta put your hands on the steering wheel, girl. Ryleigh.
It's okay because you're the only one.
Keep to your own lane. Pull the rope to honk the horn. Time is up.
You can't reach it.
Getting dark.
Ryleigh.
Smile, you might get a gift. You smile, you might get a gift.
Look, she's looking like, what's going on? Okay, so now I'm in Walmart and we are looking for some lights, and I'm waiting on Mel to get here. So, and I can't find where the lights are in Walmart. That's really weird. I have no idea where they are in the store. I've literally been up and down. I was trying to look for the lights and I cannot find them at all. Weird. Okay, so how cute are these? This is a tinsel truck. Oh my gosh, just it doesn't have a wheel. I just noticed that. But anyways, those were so, oh my God. And then they had the bear and these gingerbread houses just made out of tinsel. What? That would be a cool DIY to do. And then they had the little hot dog, wiener dog. So cute. I've honestly been up and down these aisles. I cannot find the Christmas lights. What? What?
You still didn't find the lights?
What? No, I don't know where they are. Like literally, I've been in like 50 million aisles. I cannot find them. Yeah, I think they are here. If we would just, oh, is this a black tree? Is this black? Oh my God, look at this snowman. Oh my God. This flocked baby tree is so cute. I like that. But those are like really messy trees. Oh, we found the lights. Why are the lights all the way over here? You gotta get the warm lights. The warm color lights. Because they set the mood.
Math right.
Wait, what? 6. No, wait, I just turned it back around.
Yeah, I had it right. So you're gonna pay $684 for 3 of these when you get 300 lights.
You said what?
So think about
6. Oh yeah. No, but it'd probably 2 for.
So why would I not get those?
The mini lights?
I'm saying why would I not get 3 packs of these to get 300 clear mini lights? You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Because 3 of those are 300, right?
Mhm.
So that should equal the same amount as that, right?
Yeah.
But that's $824, and you get 1 of those for $228.
Okay.
The green wire lighted length is 21.5 feet. That's 60. So again, the same thing.
So my hair is messed up. Oh my God. Jesus. First of all, no.
You must be one of those folks, baby.
With the inflatables, wait, I don't know how to turn my camera around. Oh, I really wouldn't want to have that big Santa Claus in front of my house. That's just not me.
You can get a big Santa for $50.
Now he's cute. He's cute. I don't think I would do that. Now these are really cute. I like this penguin. Got this little tree topper here, and I liked it because of the little pine cones, and then these little kind of burlap things, and then we got these hooks just now, and then we got 4 of these mini lights to put on the tree. And then yesterday we got these these ornaments too. So the deer, and then these little squirrels. And then we got this branch of garland. And then these are the ornaments, all the ornaments that we had last year. So now we're about to decorate the tree. Ryleigh. Ryleigh. You ready? Yes. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Careful.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Alright, so the lights are on, and now look at the mess. Look at this. Ryleigh threw out all of the ornaments onto the floor. Good job. Good job, girl. Good job.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
Okay, so then we started decorating the column here. So we're just wrapping it with this garland that I picked up from Michael's while it was on sale for 60% off. So these are normally like $20. So I think I paid like $8 for this. And I'm probably even less than that because I had like an additional 20% coupon that I used.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Alright, so now I'm just going to take that extra garland that we picked up and I'm just adding it to the half wall.
Oh, and the sun laughing and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter.
Alright, so I'm definitely gonna put some stuff up here to decorate that area up there a little bit more. I hope y'all can hear me. I do have that stuff back there right now. So this is the little red truck DIY that I did. So if you haven't seen that, I'll have that linked below and above. And also that orb over there, I made that like months ago. And then over here is where we added that garland. And then it goes up here all the way up. On this pillar we don't have anything, but I do have this bunch that I have to figure out what to do with it, and I think I can maybe like tape it up there, but I don't know yet. I just have the lantern right here, and then I added the bow so that it'll go with the tree and the garland that's here. And then I have a candle in there. Always light a candle. I need to get a different scent, but that's that. So this pail here, I got it because I wanted to put it underneath the tree here, but the tree is way too big and that pail is too small, so it wouldn't fit. And then for the TV, we just moved the TV part over, so we just have this. And then I might put something up here. And then I'm probably gonna get some Christmas pillows to put here. And then that's it. And boom, 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 here is the final product of our Christmas tree. I absolutely love the colors. It's so warm and cozy feeling. I'll probably add just a little bit more ornaments, and I'm definitely gonna go and get some picks to put at the top of the tree. As you can see, we kept most of the ornaments up towards the top so that Ryleigh will not pull them down. But other than that, yeah, I love this tree. I like how it's so cute. And I have to, of course, get the bottom. I still am going to try to find a big bucket to put down there. If I can't find one, then I'll probably just put a tree skirt, but I probably won't because Ryleigh will mess that up too. But other than that, I like how the tree turned out. I hope you do too. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.